Hey everyone, it's not every day you find a home that truly checks all of the boxes, but I think I found the one for you. Picture this, an oversized RV garage, fully owned solar panels, and a stunning custom backyard complete with a heated pool and spa, and that's just the beginning. But instead of telling you about it, let me show you. There's plenty of room for all of your toys with an oversized 45-foot long RV garage with a 14-foot high insulated door. The home also has an 8-foot RV gate, own solar panels installed, which amounts to huge savings in utility bills. The professionally landscaped backyard has artificial grass, a custom pergola, outdoor kitchen, pavers, and a beautiful heated pool and in-ground spa. Interior features of the home include plank tile flooring, an extended glass slider door, upgraded kitchen cabinets, quartz countertops, and backsplash. Call me today to schedule a private showing and see all that this home has to offer.